Hello there. Have you ever had one of those days where you're just so tired, your hair looks a hot mess, didn't even get to wash your face, maybe you've been chasing a crazy hangry toddler around that wants all the cookies in the house, but you wish you could be at a spa? Well, girl, I got a solution for you. Check this out. Ah. Okay, can we just talk about how excited I am about this mask? So I am going to be using the foundation brush to apply it. This is just gonna kind of help keep the oils from my fingers from getting into the actual product in the container. It is oxygenating, so that means that it will react. It's not a requirement. You can use your fingers. I love using my fingers too, but it just feels so amazing on my face. And I have super sensitive skin. I have been looking for a mask for over a year now, and I am so excited this is here. When it's oxygenating, it feels like this little tingling sensation, and that means it's working on getting all that nasty stuff out of your pores, and it just feels so good. I love making sure I have a bunch of it on my T-zone area because that's where my pores are the biggest and the worst. And look at those little bubbles. You leave it on for just about 5 minutes. You want to make sure that it is closed when you're done with it, nice and sealed, so that way the air doesn't get in there. Just leave that sucker on and do whatever you gotta do for 5 minutes. Wash it right off, and your skin is going to feel amazing. I have seen such a huge difference in my skin since I started using this.